booktube. So today I thought I would do a little room tour thing. So I've taken pictures of my room and I'll do some voiceovers coming up. But I just wanted to say hi. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so first off, here is my poster wall. You can see I have lots of music posters, and there's different ones. I really like my Frankenfurter poster from my Rocky Horror Picture record. Most of these I've just gotten in records. And then I have a Kandinsky poster and various ones from the Norton Simon and stuff. Also Star Wars and different things. And then I have my record collection and my hat rack that also has all of my purses and things. So that's that. So here is my little reading nook, I guess. I have these really pretty bay windows in my bedroom facing the street. And I sit in that comfy chair and read, and I have my printer and little succulents and things there. And then here are my bookshelves and my desk, which you'll remember if you saw my bookshelf tour. But I have little trophies and things, my pride flag, and my to-read shelf on the left, some old textbooks down there and things, and there's a picture of my grandpa. On my desk there's a Shakespeare doll, random knickknacks and things, my succulents, lots of old stuffed animals I need to get rid of, and then I also have my other bookshelf on the right. And then last but not least is my bed. So on the left there's a picture of, it's a print of an airplane which my grandparents gave me, and it has a quote from West with the Night by Beryl Markham, which I've talked about before. There's an embroidery hoop I did, and my map, and then my bed, and my calendar on the right. So this is my room. I film at my desk, and you have the posters behind me. I hope you enjoyed that, get a little insight of what I'm like. I still live with my parents, so I'm not doing a full house tour or anything crazy. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!